Now we will start testing the undervoltage function. I will open my fridge, go to the configuration, and make sure that my frequency is set to 60 Hz. I will remove the stop of the goal, start focusing on the three-phase healthy voltages, and make the currents 0.1 greater than what is currently there. Alright, now I will focus on the part where I want to test the undervoltage, so all I have to do is press start. And I start moving only one phase. For example, I will take the red phase and inject, for instance, 56 volts. I look at the relay screen and gradually lower this voltage until I reach 55, which is my expected pickup value. Indeed, it picked up at that value. So what is the dropout value? Multiply 55 by the dropout ratio, which is 1.05, and it gives me 57.75. So I inject here 57.7, all right? And increase it. Once it reaches between 57 and 57.5, what does it start to do? Drop out, exactly like what we saw. So I tested the pickup and the drop what? The drop off, great. So if I want to test the trip time, all I need to do is inject 50 volts here. Press the stop of Joule and then press start again. I gave it a value less than your setting. So after 3 seconds, what do I expect it to do? It should trip. Now if I want to see the current criteria, I inject the 3 currents at 0. Alright, my injection now should have triggered an undervoltage, but if you look at the main screen, as I can see now, there is no undervoltage until your phase increases by how much? It increases by 0.05. So if you raise your current like this to above 0.05, what does it show? It actually shows the undervoltage. Now let's assume that I will increase, for example, the blue phase to 0.04. Here, for instance, the blue phase is not the same phase that has the undervoltage. And I raised it like this. All right, you'll find that it doesn't work. So now the phase must be the one that has what? What should it have? Your current? All right. So what have we seen? Okay, let's go back again to our reference on the 3 phases. Here, 0.1 on the televisions, and remove stop if goal, and inject again. Now, I should have undervoltage, and undervoltage has appeared in front of me. So what should I start doing? I give the binary input or inject the binary input of VTMCP trip. I put 125 VDC on it. So when I put 125 VDC on it, if you even want to see it with me, here we will open it like this and open my browser. All right, and here are my inputs. And here is the input for the circuit breaker. I removed it, and now I put it back. Let's see, I put it on, and it blocked the function as you can see here on the screen. And here, the output went away, I removed it, and it picked up again. After 3 seconds, it started to trip again. This is the effect of my function. And this way, I have tested the undervoltage.